In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently navigate through Dream Efficiency 5303, Lightning.Force.com, and make the most out of Salesforce's data import wizard. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. We'll start our journey by heading to the Salesforce homepage. It's a good idea to have your login credentials handy to make this process smooth. Once you're logged into Salesforce, the first place we want to hit is the settings. You'll find this feature usually located at the top right corner of your screen, displayed as a gear icon. Clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu, and from there you want to select Open Advanced Setup. This is where all the magic happens when it comes to managing the back-end aspects of your Salesforce account. After you've opened the Advanced Setup, the next thing to do is locate the Quick Find box. Depending on your display or theme, this might be on the left-hand side. The Quick Find box is a real time saver. Here, just type in Data Import Wizard and let it filter through all the setup features, directing you straight to the Data Import Wizard option. Click on this when you see it. Now that we're inside the Data Import Wizard, look for the option labeled Import My Data and give it a click. This menu guides you on importing different kinds of data into Salesforce. Right after this step, you'll be greeted with a Start button. Don't be intimidated. Just give it a click to move forward. What happens next is a choice between contacts and accounts. Depending on what you're aiming to update or import, choose one of these. Always double-check to ensure you're selecting the intended option. After making your selection, hit the next button to proceed. Up ahead, you're going to see an option asking you if you have a CSV file. In most cases, you do, so click on I have a .csv file. This sets up the environment for you to upload the data file. And once again, hit Next. Here's where you'll upload your files. Click on Upload Files, and this will prompt you to navigate through your computer's directory. Select your .csv file that contains the data you aim to import. After the upload is complete, you should see it appear in the wizard window. Hit Next to continue. Now we are at one of our final destinations. You'll notice an Import button. Clicking this will kick off the data importing process. Usually this process is quick, but larger files might take a few extra moments, so hang tight. Once the import is completed, there might be instances where you can choose to discard unwanted changes by clicking on Discard. If everything looks good, just click Done to wrap things up. And there you have it. You've effectively navigated through Dream Efficiency 5303, Lightning.Force.com, and performed a data import using Salesforce's powerful tools. Always remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to go through these steps a few more times to really master the process. Thanks for watching, and happy importing!